Okay, well, let's take a look at how things like GoToMeeting and Jump Desktop work. Sorry for this rudimentary little thing here, but it does help to describe what's going on. All right, so over here on this side, let's say this is your home computer, and then this is your mobile device, this is your notebook, and you want to connect to your home computer. So if you install something like GoToMeeting or Jump Desktop, there's quite a few different varieties out there. You need to do some research to find out which one you need. What happens is you install a little service, you install a little program on both of these pieces of equipment. Then you log in. So these people, this is their server out there on the internet. I can put that down there. Server. And so what happens is you log in to their server. It authenticates you and knows that, okay, this machine that you're logging in from is you. You do the same thing on this one. So that service that's running asks you for your user ID and password, and you put that in, and it logs into this server. So that basically what happens is that if you run Jump Desktop over here or GoToMeeting or something like it, trying to get back to your computer at home, it connects to the server. The server knows where the computer is and knows how to get in to the system, and it will allow you to use this machine to control and see what's on this machine, or vice versa. And the way that that again is happening is that when you run that service on both of these, it initiates a connection right here with the server. Once that connection is initiated, that allows the server to initiate a connection back. So in networking, as you'll learn in this course, um, you're really allowed to do whatever you want going out of your network. It assumes you know what you're doing. That's why so many of the bad things that happen on computers are about somebody clicking something, because you have to do something. So in this little scenario, we run a little piece of software on both. It talks to the server, we put in our user ID and password, and then that allows this server to speak back to these computers. Then that way, when I want to control one of them from the other across thousands or hundreds of thousands of miles, I talk to the server, and the server knows where it is, and it establishes that connection. Now, normally the server then gets out of the way. So once that's done, right, once it's finished, then what happens is these two just speak back and forth to each other without any communication with the server. So that's how things like GoToMeeting, Jump Desktop, and many, many others work. And this is in relation to what we're learning about RDP, or Microsoft's Remote Desktop Protocol.